Have you ever wondered that how your daily consumed milk packaging is filled and checked, or when you go for shopping to a hypermart, how the barcode scanner works? You'll be surprised to know it all lies in one foundation, that is the photoelectric sensor. Let's learn how this sensor works, as it's a very crucial component and is used in and around us in our daily living. Photoelectric sensor has an emitter and a receiver. The emitter sends the light. If the light hits the object or the receiver and comes back, then the object or the process is detected. Photoelectric sensor is of three types: through beam sensor, retroreflective sensor, and diffuse reflective sensor. Through beam sensor has a separate emitter and receiver facing each other. So it's a combination of two sensors. Both the sensors are mounted parallel to each other. When the reflective sensor emits the light, receiving sensor emits it back, and then the object is detected. So whatever objects flows between them gets detected. The range of the sensor lies from 4 or 5 meter and goes up to 20 meter. So that is the level of detection which you can do through beam sensor. Second, let's discuss the retroreflective sensor. There are two objects into this, one reflector and one receiver. So when the receiver emits the light, it touches the reflector and comes back, and thus the object is detected. There is a distance settable determining position using light reflection arc. Total distance or a total measurement of 2 meter to 5 meter can be done through a retroreflective sensor. Third is a diffuse type sensor. It has a transmitter and receiver inbuilt in this. So when the light passes through it, it hits the object and comes back, and thus the object is detected. But it has a limitation that the length of the object or light cannot be more than 1 meter. So it's suitable for small conveyors or small systems where you need to detect the product easily. Using photoelectric sensors, you make it a distance from as low as 1 meter to above 20 meters, and you can detect any type of object. Resolution is incredible, and contactless sensing prevents wear and tear. Now application. This comes into various applications and is used in counting, positioning and inspection. Majorly used in production lines, packaging machine, conveyor belts, logistic, assembly robots, barcode scanners, etc. Wherever where the products have to be detected, photoelectric sensors play a vital role. You can see on the screen various applications where these kind of sensors are being used time and again. In short, photoelectric sensors keep industry moving with their versatility, non-contact object detection. They improve efficiency and productivity in various environments. I hope you found this content relatable. In case you're looking forward for more such informative content, do like, share and subscribe us and follow for more.